If you want to turn off the sleep focus mode on your iPhone or prevent it from automatically turning on, prevent you from getting all of those text messages and calls, etc., you can always choose to either change the schedule of it or completely disable and turn it off. I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is, if you just want to manually turn it off for right now, take your finger and swipe down from the top right. Tap on the focus mode. Let's say sleep mode is turned on. You can see the little Z's. All I need to do is tap on it to turn it off. Now, let's say you don't necessarily want to do that because you want to permanently disable it and prevent it from automatically turning on. Let's do that by tapping on the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Focus midway down. And then tap on Sleep midway down. Now you can always choose to customize who you get notifications from. For instance, in my notifications, I can say allow notifications from, and I'm going to choose to add people, and I can add certain contacts that I want to get notifications from, or allow phone calls from, and I can choose, for instance, favorites. I can also go back and choose notifications from apps that I want to see. However, if you wanted to also just turn this off, you can see view your sleep data in the health, and the next schedule is 10:15. I can tap on that schedule and I can choose to just toggle this off, and now it won't automatically turn on that sleep schedule without me manually doing it. I can also scroll down to the bottom and just choose the delete focus if you no longer wanted any focus mode called sleep. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.